What's up, y'all? Gelicious21. This is I'm in Alexa, my first gen MDX. Not that Alexa, that's the other Alexa. Alexa, what's the temperature? That's the other Alexa.
In Apopka, it's 80 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly cloudy skies. Today, you can look for intermittent clouds, with a high of 85 degrees and a low of 63 degrees. Inside your smart home.
The first gen MDX that didn't come with navigation like mine's here didn't come with navigation. They come with this trip computer at the top. That's the top screen, the trip computer. The ones that did come with navigation, instead of a chip computer at the top, they have navigation screen at the top with all their AC controls and stuff on it. I've been telling everybody, whether yours came with navigation or not, if you change out the bottom radio, which is down there, you'll have navigation and stuff. If you buy a double din DVD player radio with navigation, these days they go for around 140 bucks. You can find them. There's different brands and manufacturers that put different stuff inside of their
I'm Alexa, and I respond when you say my name. There are lots of things we can do together.
they put different features in them: backup cameras, Bluetooth hands-free. This double din DVD player that I got here has all of that. It has backup cam, Bluetooth, and navigation, and some other stuff too that I use a lot. But you can have all of that and still have your factory navigation up here not working or whatever, and then still have this turn-by-turn navigation that's built into the radio. And it's updated, it's modern, so it's not like the maps are old and outdated. The maps are very modern. Different manufacturers give you different information. Sometimes you can get the speed that you're going on there and the speed that the speed limit that's posted speed limit for the road and stuff like that. So I'm not following this path. I just made this video to actually show you how navigation works on aftermarket radios with built-in navigation, how it's completely independent of the factory navigation, and you don't even need a MDX that has factory navigation to run this. My MDX did not come with factory navigation. I have the trip computer at the top. So all you need to do is change out the radio, go to any radio shop, tell them you want a double din car stereo with navigation built in, and or look online, check YouTube reviews to see which one you like best. Some have more features than others. I paid $150 for the one that I have right now, and I installed it myself, but a radio shop will do the complete job for you. All you got to do is tell them you want a double din DVD radio with navigation built in, and they'll give you options. There are some really expensive ones, but they start at around like 150 bucks. You can even go on Amazon and type in, search double din DVD player or double din car stereo receiver with navigation,